So if you don't have trust in me, whatever I've said in my previous videos, then this is something that I'm going to talk about, which is so me. Okay, it's so me. There is like, it's effortless, it's inbuilt in me. Like, there are some things, because I am working on myself, so there are a lot of things that I have changed, and I'm trying to adapt new things. But this is something that is inbuilt in me, and I did like zero effort to bring this in me, literally. And which is respect. For me, respect matters a lot. Like, this is the topmost priority, and I am not saying that there is no one who don't respect themselves. Obviously, they respect themselves a lot, but I have seen a lot of people who don't even respect themselves. Like, they don't even know that how people are disrespecting them. So, and if you still don't believe me, then let me tell you the thing that my mummy told me all the time, and that is, I am not worried about you, because I know that you are this kind of person. Like, I have seen you, that the moment people disrespect you, you leave them. Doesn't matter whoever that person is, the moment that person disrespect you, you move out from that relation. Okay, it can be your friend, it can be your family member, like whomsoever it is. The moment you see that there is a disrespect, you move out from that. And I am like 110% literally this kind of person. And in fact, now I am more than that. Like, earlier, I used to tolerate a little bit. I would be like, okay, I'm trying, I'll do everything to work out this relation. But the moment I would see that there is like, it's out of my limit, I'd be like, no, it's done. It's done for me. I can't do it. But now I am I am that person that just one incident and you are out of my life. You are no one for me, like a stranger. Literally, I will not think twice to treat you as a stranger. The moment you disrespect me and my family, there is no second chance. No second chance. So in this video, I'm going to talk about all those things, like why you need to respect yourself. Okay, why it's really important. Okay, so yeah, let's not wait, and let's just get started. So before moving forward to the video, I literally hate to say this, but I have to. Please subscribe to my channel. I have seen a lot of people that they watch my video, but they are not subscribed my channel yet. So please subscribe my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. My link is in the description box. So yeah, check from there. And let's get into the video. First thing first, to free yourself from continuous pain and torture. Like, you can see physical pain, physical abuses, physical torture. You can justify that. But you are completely ignoring this fact that these people are constantly abusing you, like emotionally, mentally, and giving you a lot of pain. Like, you are just crying alone in the room, and you are not literally understanding that how these people are ruining your mind. Like, how you can, oh my god, I literally can't believe this. It literally affects me a lot whenever I see people around me who constantly let people disrespect them. And they'll be like, no, Snehal, you are not understanding. They have loved me so much, they care for me so much, this and that. Whatever, you did too, right? You are doing too. That doesn't matter. The only thing that matters that they are literally disrespecting you, they are emotionally abusing you. Like, how dare you can let yourself go through with this? Like, it literally pisses me off whenever I see people disrespecting themselves, like letting people disrespect them all the time, and it literally hurts me so much that literally you guys are a pure soul, and doesn't matter whomsoever that person would be, they would be really lucky to have you in their life, and you are not even understanding your worth. And this is literally just sit, okay, just sit in front of the mirror and cry and see, like, can you see yourself crying for someone else who don't deserve you? Like, see, love people, okay, love them, care them, do everything for them, respect them, but do these things for those people who actually deserve you, who deserve your love, who deserve your respect, who deserve your care and attention. Those people who don't even deserve these things, you are literally crying for these people, literally. Oh my god, I can't even imagine. Like, it literally hurts me so much seeing people go through a lot and they don't even understand how they are hurting themselves. And it's not because of them, it's because of you, because you are letting those people disrespect you. It's your fault, it's not theirs. If you can see yourself in the mirror crying and hurting yourself, oh my god, I can't even imagine that how you can do that to yourself. Please stop doing it, because these people actually need these kind of people in their life on which they can feed on. So please free yourself from this constant pain and torture, which you don't even realize that how much it affects your mental health and ruin your life. Literally, it will drain, they are going to drain your energy, and you would not be able to survive more. Like, you will lose respect, you will lose trust from people, that people are like this. But no, there are people in this world who are actually really good. The fact is, you have to leave out from these people's life. Point number 2, do not let these people use you. Okay, so these people does not have an unconditional love for you. They have conditional love. If you don't trust me, then see, the moment they will see that okay, there is some another person came into their life, like there is another person in their life, they will literally throw you out from their life. They don't even care what you did for them. They don't. They literally don't give f about it. Why they are keeping you in their life? Because there is some sort of advantages that they are getting from you. Maybe you are filling their void, maybe there is no one in their life right now, maybe you are giving them financial support, something like that, whatever. Okay, they will love you, give you care, give you respect till the time when they will see that there is no one in their life. But the moment they will see that there is another person in their life, you doesn't matter to them. Literally, you doesn't matter to them. Even though you know that the person with whom they are meeting right now, or with them they are friends or their partner, whatever, you will warn them as well, like, okay, see, these people are not good for you. They will tell you thousands of things that you don't know anything about it. Don't tell me what I should do or what I should not do. Okay, you are no one for me. Whatever, they are going to treat you like shit. The moment they will see that there is another person in their life, you don't matter to them. You are no one. So if you don't trust me that they are actually using you, this is the best way to see if you actually matter to them or not. See, every relation, okay, if I know that people always tell me like, okay, I this person helped me a lot, or people changes. Initially they were like this, but now they are not like that. So whatever you did too, you love them too. You love them a lot, right? In every relation, okay, whether it's friendship, whether it's partner, whatever kind of relationship you are in, there will always be two ways of efforts, right? ऐसा किसी भी रिलेशन में नहीं होता कि बस एक ही पर्सन एफर्ट कर रहा है और दूसरा पर्सन एफर्ट ही नहीं कर रहा. ओके, दैट रिलेशनशिप विल समवेयर, कभी ना कभी वो टूटेगा ही नहीं. इट इज गोइंग टू एंड सूनर और लेटर. इट्स गोइंग टू हैपन. ओके, सो इफ दैट रिलेशनशिप इज देयर विथ यू for like 1 year or 2 year or जितने भी साल रहा हो, okay, it's not just because of you, it's because of that person as well. ठीक है, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि उस पर्सन ने इतना किया तुम्हारे लिए तो तुमने नहीं किया. तुमने भी किया है, right? You did. So why you are holding back on it? A lot of time what people do, that they hold on things in the past कि अच्छा ये past में इस person ने ऐसा कर दिया, अभी ऐसा change हो गया. Past doesn't exist. Okay, literally past doesn't exist. जो गया सो गया, अब वो वापस नहीं आने वाला है. If that person is not the way they used to be in the past, it means that you have to move on now. The only thing that matters is present. What is happening in the present, not in the past, not in the future. How they are treating you right now, that is what matters. If they are not treating you the way they used to treat you earlier, then you have to move on. Literally, you have to move on. Don't think about past. Don't think that okay, this person used to care for me a lot in the past, and that's why I have to be like this. I have to tolerate this. No, you don't. Okay, let me give you an example. Have you seen an organization? If you are working in an organization, you know that till the time you are having a good performance, they will care for you. You are like everything for them. They will treat you well. But the moment your performance is not going well, you don't matter to them. They will give you chances, okay, they will give you chances to improve your performance. But the moment they will see that okay, there is no slight difference and there is no changes in the performance, they will throw you out from their company. You don't even matter to them. Literally, you don't even matter, because they don't think about the past. Organization doesn't care about what has happened in the past, how you have performed in the past. They don't care about it. What they care about it is in the present, how you are performing in the present right now. If you're not performing well in the present moment, they will throw you out. You are no one for them. I know that it's a professional thing and I should not mix up in the personal life, but what I'm saying is that you also have to think like this. They did this for me, I did them for too. But it doesn't mean that I gave them this authority to disrespect me again and again. Point number 3, to let the right people come into your life. Okay, why? See, the moment you will start respecting yourself, these people who used to disrespect you, it will literally affect them a lot. Literally, it will affect them a lot. Why? Because they used to know you as a person who was letting them disrespect you all the time, and now they are seeing you that you have changed and you are respecting yourself. It affects them a lot. Why? Now they have to find these kind of people in their life with whom they can treat like shit again. And it's a tough thing because nowadays everyone want peace. No one wants tantrum in their life. No one wants any issues in their life. And everyone is working on themselves and they are treating them like anything. Okay, they respect their boundaries, they respect themselves, and they know that it's very, very tough nowadays to find these kind of people in my life who is letting someone else to disrespect them. It's very tough. Now they know that whom they are going to feed on. And the moment you will start respecting yourself, they will literally get irritated. They will tell you a lot of things, that how you can be like this, you have changed a lot, this is the way I used to be, and you have always been okay with it, now you have changed. Yeah, at that time it didn't affected me because I was so stupid that I didn't even realize that you were disrespecting me all the time. They can't see that change in you. Okay, they can't. So there is no problem in you. The moment you will start respecting yourself, your circle will narrow down. You will have a very small circle. Maybe you will only have one friend. Maybe you will not have a single friend in your life. Maybe the only people who will be around you is your family members, your siblings, that's all. But you know what? These are the people who actually respect you and love you. They have unconditional love for you. Doesn't matter however you will be with them, they will be always with you. Like, just think about, you will have an argument with your siblings, okay, even with your parents. They will leave you? Never. They will always be with you. Doesn't matter whatever happens, they will always going to be with you. So literally respect yourself. Okay, it is really important. If people will see you that you don't respect yourself, you are going to attract the same people in your life again and again, because they will like you even don't know about your worth, but people know. These people know what your worth is. They are not going to find a person like you. But you are not. You are literally so blind that you can't even see yourself, that how amazing you are. But the moment you will start respecting yourself, you are definitely going to attract those people in your life, because you will be so choosy and picky with your friends and partner. And for you, your love, your peace, and your respect matters a lot, that you are not going to let these people in your let them in your life, doesn't matter whatever happens. And literally this is the best thing. भेड़ बकरी के साथ रहने से अच्छा है कि ऐसे इंसान के साथ रहो जो एक्चुअली तुम्हारी रिस्पेक्ट करे और तुमसे प्यार करे. लाइक आई यूज्ड टू क्राई अ लॉट in front of my mommy that no one literally respects me, people don't treat me well, why this is happening with me, why I'm like this. Like, I have been with these kind of people in my life that even the whole company would see and they will know that this person didn't deserve her friendship, but still she is trying so much, and that person even do this kind of effort to keep that relation. So you have to understand, okay? And literally at that time, as I mentioned earlier, that I used to be that kind of person who used to tolerate initially, but after some time I'll be like that, okay, the moment I will see that it's out of my limit, I will literally move out from that relation. I don't even care who that person is. And same with you. And now it's a completely different thing for me. Earlier as well, I used to respect myself, but now I respect myself more. There is just one incident and you are out from your life. I don't give a F about it, that who you are. Literally, I don't even care who you are, what you did for me. No, the moment you disrespected me and my family, you are nobody. You are a stranger. And you have to understand that. You will get respect if you respect yourself. If you will respect yourself, people will automatically respect you. If you will not respect yourself, people will also not respect you. Because they see that you don't even respect yourself, you disrespect yourself constantly. They see that, oh, the moment I throw this person out from my life, and जब भी मैं वापस आ जाती हूँ या वापस आ जाता हूँ, ये वापस मेरे को एक्सेप्ट कर लेती है या कर लेता है. तो मतलब इसकी तो कोई लिटरली, दिस पर्सन डज नॉट हैव एनी सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट लेफ्ट, सो आई कैन ट्रीट her or him the way I want. And literally nowadays, right people crave for these kind of people in their life who respect themselves immensely, who respect themselves a lot. So literally respect yourself. It is the biggest and powerful tool and asset to keep yourself happy. Because the moment you have respect for yourself, you are not going to take any shit about any people. If you want respect from me, you have to treat me respectfully first. I will love you, I will respect you, I will care for you, I'll do everything for you. But first, you have to treat me well. You have to respect me well. You will receive respect if you treat yourself respectfully. People will see that this person respects herself a lot and they have such a high boundaries. And to be friend with her or to him, I have to create my boundaries like that. I have to be respectful to her and to him. And the people who actually love you and care for you, they will respect you no matter what. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you're gonna like it. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. My link is in the description box again. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.